Morning everyone, Waylon here. Quick response to the recent debate on BCAAs, essential aminos, protein, etc., etc. What should I be taking? Bottom line is, our digestive system hasn't really changed over the last 40,000 years. We were sort of designed to digest things like fish, eggs, protein in its complete form. Yes, essential amino acids are important, but taking them in any specific ratio or combination really makes no difference at the end of the day. Reason being is your liver determines what it does with these proteins, how it digests and how it utilizes protein. If you were to think of the new concept that taking essential amino acids in some specific ratio is going to impact your muscle growth in some way, then there would be, I guess, a ton of people putting on an enormous amount of muscle mass if they were to go out and eat actual muscle tissue, because the muscle tissue would contain the specific sequence of amino acids that would relate to muscle. But as you can understand, this makes no sense. And although certain companies are trying to promote this and attack the BCAA market, realistically, all amino acids have an anabolic response. Positive nitrogen balance, you've heard of that before, etc., etc. Lots of people are talking about different amino acids and how they react in the body and what they do. Bottom line is, if we're talking about muscle tissue, you need protein. And you need roughly a gram per pound of body weight. This is sort of a general statement based on actual clinical research with regards to medical patients, cancer patients, burn victims, etc. A lot of the research is designed around recovery. If you're an extreme athlete and you're looking for muscle growth, again, this is without the use of anabolic steroids or any type of form of enhancement, but a gram per pound of body weight is a reasonable amount of protein for any athlete that is training on a consistent basis. But if we look at protein, the reason that vegan protein is not ideal is because it lacks a sufficient amount of essential amino acids. Animal proteins are very high in essential amino acids. And there's been a debate, well, why don't I just take a lot of essential amino acids? And that's definitely an option, but doesn't necessarily mean that it needs to be a focus. Your body was designed as a digestive system to break down proteins and a variety of them throughout the day as you gather your food, etc. Again, fish, eggs, animal meats, even some dairy. These types of things are very high in essential amino acids and very natural to the human diet. At the end of the day, bottom line is, no matter what you're hearing in marketing or seeing in research, the process in which your body utilizes amino acids is all determined by your liver. So the health of your digestive system, the health of your liver is extremely important. So we consider this, every time you eat, your body, digestive system, liver, determines how it utilizes this protein. So whatever your body needs to recover, and mind you, growing big muscles is not on the top of the priority list. Building things like hormones, repairing skin, and numerous other protein structures within the body determines how it's going to use the protein that you eat. So you eat, your digestive system breaks it down, it hits your liver, and your liver determines what sequences it's going to utilize that protein in. So if anyone tells you that eating some specific amino acid or ingesting some sequence of amino acids is going to equal muscle, they are crazy, and it is BS. Bottom line, your liver will determine what it needs and how it is going to use any form of protein or amino acids that you ingest. If you're consuming BCAAs and you assume that that's enough, your body will still take those and utilize them as it needs. So the most important thing is to make sure you're getting enough protein within the day. If you're not eating a lot of protein and you're consuming BCAAs, which a lot of people assume is going to equal muscle growth, it's not necessarily true, because again, your body will prioritize what it needs to utilize in those amino acids. So making sure that you're getting roughly 1 gram per pound of body weight per day in protein will ensure that your body can perform all of the other processes, as well as repairing muscle tissue and helping you build new muscle tissue. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon.